the debate between Korach and Moshe Rabbeinu is identified as the paradigm for a negative dispute. The Mishnah in the 5th chapter of Pirkei Avos teaches us what is considered a machlokes, a dispute that is for the sake of heaven. Zeu machlokes Hillel v'Shammai, the disputes between Hillel and Shammai that can be found throughout the Mishnayos. The Mishnah continues what is considered to be a dispute that is not for the sake of heaven. Zeu machlokes Korach v'Adaso. This is the debate of Korach and his followers. If one takes a closer look at the Mishnah, one notices that the two clauses of the Mishnah are not parallel. When describing the machlokes between Hillel and Shammai, the Mishnah identifies both parties involved, Hillel on one hand and Shammai on the other. When identifying the debate of Korach and his followers, the Mishnah tells us only of one of the parties, Korach and his followers, and it does not tell us who they were arguing with. And the question is, why is the Mishnah structured in such a manner? The Chassam Sofer explains the answer as follows. Despite the fact that Korach and his followers were united against Moshe Rabbeinu, they were not truly united. They did not share a common goal. Rather, they were each looking only for personal glory. And this is why they are characterized as a machlokas, not for the sake of heaven. As opposed to Hillel and Shammai, where despite the fact that they disagreed, they shared a common goal of trying to uncover the truth of the Torah. Korach and his followers, even though they were united against Moshe Rabbeinu, were looking only for personal glory and had no noble mission in mind. In our lives we encounter dispute. It's inevitable. And the pages of the Torah, the pages of the Gemara, are covered with disputes amongst great rabbis. The lesson of Korach is that when we engage in dispute, we must always have a more noble mission in mind and not be looking only for personal glory. Have a good Shabbos.